Hi, everyone. This is Scott with ClientWise, and I've received the question from users, how do I use two screens at the same time? So, for example, how can I look at the timeline and also look at my notes at the same time so that I can look at dates that I've written down in my notes and also create events on the timeline without constantly flipping back and forth between the pages? So, there's two easy methods for doing that. I'm going to show you those right now. The first method is to just create a new tab, type in home.clientwiseportal.com while you're still signed in, and it's going to bring the same client you're working on back up. So here I'm going to click on notes, and what I now have is I have both pages. I can flip easily between the timeline page and the note page. And if I want the full span of the page, then this is the way to do it. Now, sometimes I don't even want to have to flip back and forth. I want one right next to the other so that I can actually be looking at it while I'm using the other page. So in that case, here's what you can do. You can do this on any PC, and you can do it on laptops as well. What you do is you click on the tab and hold, then you drag it to this side of the computer, and you'll see that it expands, and you release. And here I have this right here, and then I click here, and now I have those two pages side by side. So I can go through my timeline over here. I can click my notes right over here, and now I can look at my notes and I can create events over here as I need straight from my notes. All right, so I'm going to close these out, especially because it's kind of weird seeing myself twice. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Those two methods, I use those two methods all the time. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.